What's up, guys? HOBBYBOX here, doing our third rookie anthology break. This is group break number 646. Good luck, everyone. Box number is 280. This one feels lighter. Definitely feels lighter than the other two. And looks like we might have one, maybe. We'll see. Good luck, everyone. We start with the hot rookies for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Boone Jenner. And for the Rangers, a rookie of Jason Messian, or Messian. For the Calgary Flames, hot rookies, Sean Monahan. And Louis Eriksson update. For the Edmonton Oilers, rookie Rainbow, Brad Hunt. And for the New Jersey Devils, Mike Cicillo, rookie. Some of these names I don't even remember. For the San Jose Sharks, luxury suite, number 18 of 99, rookie jersey autograph, Matt Nieto. Beautiful autograph there.
Nice.
It's like someone's toes. That's yours? We have a black hot rookies for Dallas, Kevin Connaughton. And for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Jason Magna, rookie. For the Vancouver Canucks, hot rookies, Nicholas Jensen. And for the Edmonton Oilers, a rookie of Martin Marcinin. For the Nashville Predators, hot rookies, Austin Watson. And for the Detroit Red Wings, a rookie gear, Thomas Jerko. Oh, first time I see a decoy. Black Prism rookie for the New Jersey Devils, John Merrill. Is that you? I think you had New Jersey as well. Hot rookies for Tampa, Nikita Kucherov. And for the Montreal Canadiens, dual jersey rookie of Nathan Beaulieu, 22 of 249. I don't think so. It's not the refractor version. You could tell when it's refractor. It's got like a little shine to it. And the last one is Victor Bartley, hot rookies for Nashville. So that was our weakest box of the three. Unfortunately, we'll be back with more shortly. I'll just tell you right now.